87% of businesses let employees use personal devices for work, but only 24% have any kind of BYOD policy. That gap creates serious security problems. Chris Power, CEO of Power Consulting, puts it simply: organizations must balance BYOD flexibility with robust security measures to safeguard sensitive data. The risks are real. When employees use their own devices, companies lose control. Sensitive data can leak through unsecured apps. Public Wi-Fi opens the door to hackers, and without clear policies, it's hard to track who has access to what. Even well-meaning employees can create problems. One outdated device, one phishing email, one accidental upload, that's all it takes. If there's no device management in place, no one's watching for those mistakes. The impact? Compliance failures, more malware, heavier IT workloads. Especially for industries like healthcare and finance, that's a serious issue. There's a fix. It starts with a clear BYOD policy and mobile device management tools. Add mandatory training, strong authentication, and a clear response plan. That gives you control without slowing your team down. Want a simple checklist to build your policy? Need to see how real-time monitoring and fast incident response can limit damage? It's all covered. You can read the full article now on our website. And don't forget, you can add this to your playlist for quick reference later.